Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Instantly, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you search for leads and prospects in Instantly based on location? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Why would you want to search for leads in Instantly anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business or even an in-person business, you know you have to keep your lead flow coming in, and Instantly is a popular way to search for prospects based off of location, type of company, lots of different things, even industry. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Instantly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Instantly account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and search for prospects and leads based on location, you're going to click on this magnifying glass here on the left. It's called Lead Finder. Once you do that, you will see this menu right here. So as you can see, you can search for leads and prospects based off of job titles, industry, number of employees, revenue. But today we're doing it by location. So we're going to click right here on location. All right, once you do that, you want to go ahead and filter out by, let's say, the city. So we'll do San Jose. And once you do that, you can see these start popping up. San Jose, California, which is what we're searching for. Okay, once you do that, it's going to start filtering out the result. You can see they have 265,000 people that you can use for leads or prospects in San Jose, California. So that's quite a bit of leads. So if you're going to filter this down, you can go ahead and first run it by the location, and then you can filter out by maybe technologies, funding type of company. Now, if you want to add more locations, you can do that. So let's say we want to go ahead, instead of adding a city, we're going to add the whole state. So we'll do New York. Okay, New York State. All right, now you can see it's refreshing automatically. You can also search by counties as well. So let's see, we'll go ahead and add in Multnomah County. Okay, so you can see the county pops up as well. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to search for leads and prospects based on location, that's the easiest way I know how to do it with your Instantly account. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.